Today, we're going to use addition and subtraction strategies so that we can identify the unknown number. And when I say unknown number, that is just a giant, big old question mark because it's a number we don't know what it is. It could be missing, it could be a letter, it could be a shape. And that's kind of hard to solve a math problem with shapes and letters. So we're going to look at a few examples of what it means to solve for the unknown. Now, when we're looking for that missing number, I'm going to read this word problem as an example. So we have Mary. This is all about Mary. Let me find a fun color for Mary. We're going to do a nice pinky color. We'll go here. Okay. So Mary had some marbles. Her parents gave her 3 more marbles for her birthday. Then she had 12 marbles. How many marbles did Mary have before her birthday? All right, so that's my question. How many marbles did she have before her birthday? Now, when you're solving for the unknown, there's a few different things you can do. You can create a number sentence, which has your addition, subtraction, those signs and an equal sign, or you can draw a picture. So we need to figure out what this number is for sum. Sum is our unknown. This is our important word right here. This is our big old question mark. What is sum? How much did she start out with? She ended with 12, right? So her total number she had at the end of her birthday was 12. I used 12, I crossed out. Her parents gave her 3 more. Gave tells me I'm going to add, and they gave her 3 more. So right here, this is sum, right? I don't know, so I got to figure it out. I don't know what number goes there. All right, I know it can't just be sum. A number has to go there. So I'm going to use a picture to help me solve that. So she had 12 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those are some weird shaped marbles, but we're letting it go. Her parents gave her 3. So I'm going to cross off 3 of them to show the 3 her parents gave. 1, 2, 3. So those are the 3 her parents gave. Now, how many do I have left? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means Mary started with 9 marbles. Let's plug it into our equation and see if it works. 9 plus 3. Whoa, that's a weird 3. Pretend that's a normal 3 for now. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. So if you look closely at our picture over here, you will notice something. I took away those 3 marbles from her parents. I took them away. I crossed them off, took them away. When I say take away, I mean subtract. She had 12 marbles, right? And I took those 3 away. I was left with 9 because 12 minus 3 is a 9. Addition and subtraction. When you have a plus sign and you have a minus sign, those are just opposites of each other. So we're going to look at a few more problems a little closer, and I'm going to show you what that means.
When we look at the word inverse, you might have also heard this before as a fact family. So addition and subtraction are related to each other. They're kind of like siblings or cousins. They're not twins. They're not the same thing, but they're related. So in the last problem, Mary had 12 marbles. Her parents gave her 3, and she started with 9. Now, if I'm putting this in my fact family, my total goes at the top, 12. She had 9, and she got 3 from her parents. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. In the same sense, 12 minus 9 equals 3. And 12 minus 3 equals 9. So your fact family triangle is just a big old puzzle piece. Oops, not a minus sign. A big old puzzle piece that will help solve these problems. So I want you to pay close attention to this triangle in the next few problems. We're going to draw our triangle first and foremost. Here's my triangle. I have 18 plus a smiley face equals 49. This is my unknown number. I need to figure out what this is. My total is 49. Okay, so my total goes at the top. I know 18 is one of my add-ins, but I don't know this one. That's my question mark. All right, so 49 minus 18 will give me my answer. So I need to write 49 minus 18. All right, 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So I'm going to double check. I'm going to, as we call it, plug and chug. I'm going to check to see if 31 works. So just like I did 49 minus 18, if I take 31 and add it to 18, it should give me 49. 31 plus 18. We're double checking. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 49 checks out. So my smiley face equals 31. If you look here, we have our triangle all ready for us. I'm just going to draw it a little bigger. So this is my unknown number. This is what I need to figure out. My total, 205. My known add-in is 100, and here is my question mark. I'm going to take 205 and subtract 100 to figure out what my unknown is. Because I know 100 plus the unknown will give me 205. 5 minus 0 is 5. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So my unknown is 105, but I'm going to double check. If I take 105 and add it to 100, it should give me 205. 105 plus 100, 5 plus 0, 0, 2. Checks out. So my triangle equals 205. I could rewrite my number sentence. 100 plus 205 equals 205. I wrote that wrong. It should be 105. This part right here, triangle equals 205. This is the answer I'm looking for on your problems today. Oh my goodness, we have another one, but my triangle's in a different spot. Okay, I'm going to draw my big triangle. I have my total. My equal sign with the only number that's all by itself is my total. That goes up the top, 332. I have one add-in, 205, and I have my unknown, my question mark. Same thing, if I take my total and subtract my known add-in, my known, I will be able to find my unknown. 332 minus 205. Right off the bat, I could not take 5 from 2, so I'm going to have to regroup. My 3 becomes a 2. My 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So my unknown number is 127. But I'm going to double check by adding the 2 and seeing if I get 332. It never hurts to double check. 5 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 332, 332, 332. So my triangle equals 127. On Canvas is where you'll find this video. Then you're going to need to solve 4 questions where you're solving for the unknown. Think of your fact family triangles and how to use them to help you.